check it out. I'm going to show it to you first. Exercise actually. So what am I doing? I'm crossing one leg over the other, crossing it over the other way, and then opening my legs out wide. So I'm going 1, 2, open, 1, 2, open. Now, the arms play a really important role here because I can't get into those positions without the hands working. So it's 1, 2, open, 1, 2, open. 1, 2, open. 1, 2, open. Now you could do it at that pace. For me, that wouldn't be particularly challenging for a fitness level, but maybe for some of your clients it would be. What makes this exercise interesting is how much I have to use my abdominals. As my abdominals are doing the movement, not my spine, okay, it's muscles that create motion, not bones. So, and I have to really pull with the hands. So 1, 2, long. 1, 2, long. Now, the conversation that we're always having, or I'm having with instructors is, are you on your toes or are you on your heels? This has a combination. Toe, toe, heel down. Toe, toe, heel down. Now, so if you're communicating what they need to do with their feet, toes for the quick, heel down when they go big. So another one that you want to think about with this particular exercise is the tempo, as I mentioned earlier. Quick, quick, long, quick, quick, long, quick, quick, long, gives a really good abdominal workout. If I go a little slower, quick, quick, long, there's no abdominal activation, well not very much at all. So your speed does matter, and it doesn't matter. I don't think this would make any difference regardless of the condition of the person, because how much resistance that you're creating. And when you're not going very fast, you're not creating a low resistance. So it might be just some nice gentle movement that you want to do at the end of your class. But if you want it to be a really good abdominal workout, pick music tempo that's going to make that really work well. So 1, 2, long, 1, 2, long, 1, 2, long. Fingers are wide, hands are in the water. Bend, bend, reach. Bend, bend, reach. So make sure that they're keeping their hands down. And that's the sort of turbulence that you want to see when they're doing this exercise. And that's this week's Aqua tip. The swivel action that's quick, quick, slow is really challenging to demonstrate on full deck. It's super hard, but the best way to do it is with the Aqua frame. Other than that, I think you still have to demonstrate with your arms because it's too hard on your body, too hard on your back. So I'm going to use the Aqua frame, and I use it this way. So I will demonstrate as being quick, quick, long, quick, quick, long, quick, quick, long. So that you've got your feet spreading out on that angle. And you can see how demonstrating this without the frame can be a lot harder on your body. Then you've got to really focus on the arms. Fingers wide apart. Remember, it's quick, quick, push. Quick, quick, push. Quick, quick, push. So demonstrate the legs first, demonstrate the arms, and then you might want to demonstrate the low impact version, which would be quick, quick, and long. So you could do that. I don't really like demonstrating things that way, so I think it's a little bit confusing for some of my participants, and not everybody in my class is a regular, and not everybody in my class understands English, so they need to get a really good visual. So I prefer to use the Aqua frame, and that helps my body rather than doing this, which you could do, but for a lot of us that would be really hard. And that's this week's Aqua tip.